Kapu Beach is located in the coastal region of Karnataka, India. Kapu's long sandy beaches offer a panoramic view of the Arabian Sea. One of the main attractions of the Kapu beach is the century-old 130 feet lighthouse. Kapu's 27 meters tall lighthouse was built in 1901. Visitors can climb up the spiral staircase inside the lighthouse to enjoy a breathtaking view of the endless sea and the surrounding landscape. Kapu is located around 15 kilometers from Udupi and 45 kilometers from Mangalore.